These are the few steps you need to take to add audio to Slice, that is Google Slice. The first step is to launch your Google Chrome web browser. As your browser opens, the next step is to upload the file, that's the audio, in your Google Drive. So I'll visit drive.google.com and log in. So look at the web link here. So once you are on this page, click on my drive, okay? And once you're on my drive, please upload the audio because it's from here that we are going to place that in Slice. But here I have the one I want to use already. I created a folder for it and I have audio there. Look at it here. So please upload the audio on drive first before we continue the rest of the steps. So let's now get to a new tab and visit slice.google.com. Once you visit that, create a presentation. Web link slice.google.com. Okay, let's say this presentation file, which contains some slides, is what I want to add audio on. One of them. So click on the slide where you want to add the audio. So here I've clicked on this. Then click on Insert. Select the option of audio. So I'll click on that. Then this is my drive is selected. Okay, I'll look at the folder where I have my audio. I'll double click on it for it to open. I will click on that and I'll click on Insert, and this audio is inserted here. And there are some things open up here. Stop on slide change. That means I want it to play here alone, which is what I want. So if I want to add audio here, I'll click on this and add audio. It is that simple. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, and leave a comment. You can check what I have on the screen here. It's one of the products I sell on my online store. So you can click and get to the store and make a purchase. Check some other products I have there and buy. It's a way of supporting this channel. Thank you and see you some other time.